Welcome back to The Roaming Investor, your ultimate guide to financial freedom and a nomadic lifestyle. Today, we're going to explore the safest places for first-time travelers to ignite their wanderlust. But first, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any tips and tricks for living your dream life on the road. In this video, we're helping you get that first passport stamp safely. We'll delve into why these places made the cut, so you can travel with confidence and peace of mind. First up, we have Iceland. This Nordic wonderland is known for its stunning landscapes, and more importantly, it's considered one of the safest countries in the world. The crime rate here is remarkably low, locals are friendly, and English is widely spoken, making it easy for newcomers to navigate. Next stop, Japan. Japan's safety is largely attributed to its deeply ingrained culture of respect and its excellent public safety measures. On top of that, it offers an incredible public transportation system, and it's super clean. Even in bigger cities like Tokyo and Kyoto, you'll feel comfortable as a first-time traveler. Now, let's hop over to New Zealand. Famous for its gorgeous landscapes and outdoor activities, New Zealand also ranks high on the safety index. Kiwis are known for their friendliness and hospitality. Plus, there's no language barrier here, making it an easy choice for beginners. Our final pick for today is Portugal. As one of the safest countries in Europe, Portugal offers a warm climate, rich history, and an affordable cost of living. It's a perfect place to dip your toes in European travel. There you have it: Iceland, Japan, New Zealand, and Portugal. These places are welcoming and safe for first-time travelers, making them perfect starting points for your nomadic journey. Remember, safety comes with awareness and respect for local cultures and customs. Be responsible, stay aware, and enjoy your journey. Thank you for joining us on this episode. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on your pick from these four. Until our next adventure, keep roaming, keep investing, and let the world be your guide. This is The Roaming Investor, signing off.
If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to